We got the K Regional Falls here.
Listen, Cal, keep your voice down.
Sorry, what?
For a noise complaint, not going to be showing up, okay?
Shut up! Oh my god. Just tell me you quiet.
Yeah, we just tried that. Apparently it's not working.
That's when someone came up with a car that had a really loud stereo system.
Anyway, keep her down. Okay? Are you all monkey? Yeah.
Thank you, officer.
Listen, pal.
Oh, get him out of here.
Yeah.
It's Joey, that's the one who has the music loud.
Guys, stop being a cocky prick. Shut up. I'm not. No, I'm just talking to fucking retard. He's giving us some
You call it like you
What
say?
do you mean? Oh my god.
That's yours. That's yours. Yeah. I don't care. Show me your ID. You have to show me your ID? Yeah, you do, actually.
Oh my god. Oh.
Joey gets arrested.
Oh, I know.
Joey gets arrested.
Here. Okay? Go. Look, he's being an idiot. Exactly, okay?
He doesn't even, I don't even know why he's here. I don't even like know him.
So, if any of you else want to say something, we got room for 2 more. And we got another 10 units that can take more. Okay? So, the music stops. Okay? If we come back, the whole place is being cleared out. If we try to come in here and be nice, then we got assholes like that, shut it down.
This never happened to me before. Cops never ever did one.
What the fuck?
I feel like